What's up, guys? Welcome back to Simple Builds. Today's very special episode features me finding a subscriber's car, transforming it in one single video, and we're gonna surprise him with it at the end. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one. Here we go. Comes in a little bat. Let's go! This one's about to get real low.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, almost had a white cap, almost sprayed this crap. Max Peating Rods sent out these coilovers at a discount, so they gave you guys a discount. Use your code SMPLBUILDS, 15% off at checkout. Get yourself a pair of these adjustable coilovers for your car. We're gonna go over and meet Alex right now. We're gonna bring him back to show him what the Honda looks like. So let's do it. You ready?
Absolutely. I'm like that, Dad.
Good to see you. Okay. Don't look up. Center of frame. All right. Keep looking straight and take the blindfold off. Check out new bait. Oh man. It's so nice to see it one color. I'm glad you liked it. What do you think?
I'm so happy. The white just looks so good on this car. I freaking love it. You did such a great job.
Heck yeah, thanks. I appreciate it. I'm glad you like it. 3-day transformation on a budget. You want to get entered into the giveaway? All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button.
Hit that button.
Hit the button.
Hit the button.
This was number 1 of the Simple Build giveaway. The next one could be you. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description to my Instagram. Only exception is you gotta be in the tri-state area because shipping a car is not really in my means currently. You could be the next Alex. Any last words to the viewers?
I just want to say thank you again.
Yeah, for sure.
You did a great job. It looks amazing. Definitely subscribe to him. He has awesome content and he obviously does a great job.
Heck yeah, thanks. Glad to do it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like, subscribe. You could be next. See you in the next one.